In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put digital creator on Instagram. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on Android, but it's the same process, the exact process on iPhone or your computer too. The first thing you need to do is log on Instagram and log into your account. After doing that, you come to this button right here to come to your profile. Then you will see this option at the top right corner, these three lines right here. Click on top and you will click on the first option, settings, okay? Then you need to find account, okay? So swipe down and find account with this person icon. Click on account, swipe down again, and you will find the option switch account type. Click on top and here are two options. In my case is switch to personal account and switch to creator account, but you need to switch to business account. My account is already a business account, so here are to switch to personal account. You need to click switch to business account, confirm your action, and come again to your profile very quickly. After doing that, you click on edit profile below professional dashboard. Then you will see several new options on your profile on Instagram. You need to find category below page, click on category, and here you will search for digital creator. So digital creator, and this is a very important part. You need to turn on this button, okay? Display on profile, turn on this button, confirm your action, confirm again, and you will see that you already put digital creator on Instagram. I hope I help you on how to put digital creator on Instagram. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.